Well, here we are on a Saturday, and the guys are working to try and finish it. We've got electrical in, at least the piping. You can see the conduit there. And this is going to extend all the way through this cabinet, if you will. And on top of the cabinet, we'll be placing diffusers, 8-foot tall diffusers. And then along this wall that I'm showing you right now, we're going to build another cabinet and yet another cabinet. And you can see the electrical starting to go in here. This is where they put all the conduit. And then they wrap it around over here. These are all on separate dedicated circuits, which are important to us. And the painters are here. And you can see Tina and Terry have chosen this amazing color. I didn't know, but look at it. It's gonna look really cool. This is the ISO room, and they gotta put another coat up there. Here's the ventilation system. The window is still not in, but very, very cool. And they're still priming, putting all kinds of, I don't know what, I guess paint. There's a lot of people in here working. Why, there's one of them now. And then this is gonna be this gray color. Let's see if we can, I guess they do the corners first. And then, oh, it's okay. I'm just, how we doing, guys? All right. Yep, see, we got that nice gray color up there. And more electrical going in over here. And there it is up there. So the halls are all gray color. And then in here, what do we got? Oh yeah. We got the nice red color inside of this ISO room. And more electrical. And then up here, you can see where Bob and Zach have been putting in, I'll show you over here if I can get past these lights without getting burned. Okay, I can turn the light on in here. So this is where the low voltage wires, all the mic cables and stuff, and you can see they've already painted them all. It looks kind of cool. That goes way up to the ceiling. These are 4-inch pipes that we're going to be pulling our low voltage cables through to these boxes. And they've been working hard at trying to get all this in. So lots of progress. We're getting there. Man, this is so much work, but kind of exciting to see it getting up to this point. There's the gray again, inside the tracking room, and lots of paint going up. Wow, that's a lot of work. All right, we'll keep you in the loop. Thanks for being with us. Bye-bye.